Yeah, this is how I look. First, I usually apply powder on my eyebrows so that when I draw it defines it very well. Then just comb it through to just ensure that my eyebrows are straight. Yeah, straight. Then I'll draw from below with my eye pencil to there. I'm just measuring to ensure. Math is good. You have to be twinning, to be like twin sisters. Yes, that one, it is not kind of like the other one, but it is well with my spirit. Then I shape. Okay, so I'm going to draw the upper one so that to bring the best curve. It helps you to have the best curve. This is like how I do it. And when I do my makeup, I just love listening to music because
Here we're
it is
just going to
good and awesome.
trust
It
the
makes me
process.
feel energized.
So
Then I'll
this is
fill
going to be
in.
used.
After that, I'll just use these, let me just call it browser comb. Then I'll just comb it through to ensure that everything settles and everything is looking good. Girl can dream. Okay, so this is my concealer, and then I'm just going to draw it there. At least you go a shade higher. You don't go a shade lower because it is going to look more dark. So you go a shade higher to brighten everything. So I'm just going to do faster to ensure that everything is okay. That was because of time. So I've already done my eyebrows, I've done my foundation. Because I really wanted this video to be short, so I'm going to just add eyeshadow. And to ensure everything is good, always ensure that your eyeshadow is not that like it goes beyond what you know. Sorry for that sound on the background if you're hearing it. Yes, I'm really enjoying myself. Anyway, a girl dreams and make it happen. That is it. Ensure that eyeshadow settles very well because it is going to define everything. And then I'll just use the concealer to just shape where I want another shade to settle. I usually don't like just one shade. It looks boring, because my eyes, I have hooded eyes. I usually do that trick so that along the way, after time goes, there won't be creases here and there to embarrass me. This makeup can embarrass you sometimes. And then you're like, who am I looking like? I look like something new, something. Okay, now everything is good on both sides, so I'm just going to add my other shade. This one has Chinese in it. Okay. I'm just going to choose that it is a bit brown chocolate. It looks like my skin has Chinese and it is just good. Okay. Usually go with this like every time I do. Don't do those complex things like baking. Going to put lip balm for the lips to shine. You can put on lipstick, but I always prefer lip balm because I'm going to just put highlighter in specific places because that is where the sun like shines. Also, that just bring the popping vibe. There is a change now. Very nice. So I'm just going to draw using the eyeshadow that I used first, the shade just below my eyebrows to bring definition. Then my hair is done. I'm putting on powder to ensure that there's no those shiny things in my face. Yes, the powder is very good. Settles with everything. I usually use it after I've done everything. Not before, rather, but after I've done everything. That's me, So I'm just going to put my setting spray. And then after that, don't worry. I'm just going to use my blender and then blend everything inside to just make the setting spray to settle in. I use snail or something setting spray. This is how I look. I look amazing and I love it.
Earlier on, I had forgotten something very essential. That is my mascara. Them to be popping.